Anybody here? What was that? Hey, what on earth is going on here? Gotcha!
Oh no, my precious outfit! It's ruined now! Sue!
Sorry, but it's you who decided to play a trick on me first.
It's just that Elphaba is my favorite character.
Mine too.
What? Where?
I love the movie. And Elphaba herself. And I want to become a witch. How did you make such a cool costume? Teach me.
Hey, it's not that simple. But fine. Sue, how about we do a makeover for our Wicked Witch fangirl?
Oh, I'd love to. Hey, y'all, get ready for the makeover.
Finally, I washed off all the dust.
Hey, nice shower hat. I guess you don't need it anymore.
But hey, it's mine. Whatever.
That's right. Now, Barbie, let's protect your hair from paint.
Speaking of paint, here are some samples for us to choose from. Where do you want me to put them? Huh? Sue? Where?
No, Sam. It's the makeover for the doll, not the house.
Experiment number 54? Will this liquid remove that nail polish? Let's see. Oh, yeah! My research will benefit all humanity! I am the greatest slime of all!
Sam, it's just a nail polish remover. Although you're right, it is a great invention.
Nicely done, Susie. But now it's time for a relaxing massage. Here you go.
Yeah, I know it tickles. Just a little bit more.
I promise I'll turn you into the best fairy tale character in the world. Pink is the perfect color. I am pink and I am perfect.
Can't argue with that. But it's not quite what we need right now. We're turning our doll into Elphaba. Did you forget? We'll use green.
Well then, the next makeover has to be about turning a doll into me.
Sammy, be careful.
Yeah, I meant to do that. Wait up, Sue! Oh, come on! Where was that thing? I'm sure I saw it somewhere here.
Sammy, are you okay back there?
Sure. Look, Sue. I conjured up some eyeshadows for you.
That's awesome. Thanks. And it means that we can proceed.
No, Sue. I made these, so this step is on me. Now, who's ready to do some sculpting? Please give me your arm, miss.
Sammy, you're a natural.
You could use some highlighter yourself, Sue. Here, let me help.
It tickles. Stop it. Oh, look, Candy.
What? Where? I need to check it out.
Okay, while Sammy's looking for candy, let's deal with the face. Now let's make it bright.
Where's that candy Sue was talking about? Aha! I can see the candy trail. So, here's a wrapper, and one more. No way! It was you all along! Oops! My candy! No! Why does it have to be like that? It's not fair. Oh, my dee-dee-dabba!
How dramatic, Sammy. Oh, is that a flashlight?
Yes, you can have it, Sue. I don't need it. I don't need anything.
Find me the eyelashes and I'll buy you candy.
You should have said so right away. Hey, Spidey, come over here. Good boy. I will buy something cool for you, too.
Aw, he's so cute, Sammy. And trained. Nice.
You did great, Spidey. I knew I could count on you. Leave me alone! What is it? Where am I?
Welcome to the tea party, Samuel. Make yourself comfortable. Oh, wait, I'll get candy.
Sue, help! I'm over here. I don't want any tea.
Huh? What's all this? So that's where we could start with the clothing for our Elphaba.
Yeah. Hurry up, please. Finally, I'm free. Free! Yay!
There we go. Great.
Hey, Samuel, the tea is served.
Ooh, great. Less scissor work for me. And it's ready. Here you go, honey.
Thanks. I'll go change. I'll be right back. So, how do I look?
Wow, you're becoming more and more like Elphaba. But you need a witch's hat! Hey, what's going on here?
I'm game.
Guys, I'm really sorry to interrupt you, but you really need a makeover.
What was that?
Our hats?
At least one of them should fit. What do you think?
Yeah, let's try them on.
Maybe this green beret?
I don't think so.
This purple one?
No, it's still a no. Ugh,
How about this elegant hat?
it really looks weird on me.
Okay, try this one.
No, please, Sam. No, I can't see anything. Ah!
How come? Nothing fits. Oh, well, I did my best.
Hey, Sammy, look here.
You're a lifesaver, Sue. Thank you so much.
Yay! Oh, no problem. I knew you wouldn't be able to find the right hat at our place.
And you didn't tell me? Then how about a good old-fashioned Sam prank, huh?
Ah, Sammy, come on! Oh no, look what you've done! Well, it's all in this thing now. Wait a minute, that came out pretty good actually.
Well, that's because it's what I precisely had planned, Susie.
Yeah, sure. Here you go, Barbie. This hat looks great on you.
Yeah! You almost look like a real-life Wicked Witch. Oh, what's that? Interesting. I wonder where this thread is leading? Oh, well, what else would you expect, right? Ouch! It's alive!
Oh, my dibby-dabba.
Help me, somebody! Is it gone? Lucky me! I was so scared!
Now we're even.
That was your prank?
Anyway, now we need to soak the thread in acrylic polish. Let's get to it!
Sue, it looks so mesmerizing.
Yep, and I think it's done. Our thread has even dried up already. Now, in a few simple motions, we'll make a broom. Oh, this is perfect for the broomstick.
Wow, you really did it, didn't you?
Ha! Did you have any doubts about that, Sammy? Check it out.
It lacks mystery, Sue. That's what I'm talking about. I'm Batman.
Oh, I thought you were the Wicked Witch of the West.
Ah, it's pretty much the same thing. Here you go.
Well, if we're talking about cool and hardcore looks, you're right.
So, are you making a cape?
Yep, now we need to tighten the hood a little bit like this, and we're done. You can try it on.
Hey, it's mine! I am the knight itself!
Hey, give it back. It's for my costume.
Mine! Yay!
Sammy! Give it back, Sam!
But it's not fair!
Oh, Sammy, cut it out. There you go.
Now I have everything I need. I'm like a real Elphaba.
Oh, we forgot about the shoes.
What's wrong with that? I don't wear shoes at all.
Not everyone is that good at cross-country maneuvering.
Sue, do you think Elphaba has horns?
Of course, no. These are heels for the boots.
Can't wait to try them on.
Almost there.
Let's add buckles to the boots, Sue. Whee! Awesome!
Yay! Now I'm ready to fly. I'm the happiest witch ever. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Come on. Why isn't it working?
Because every witch needs an office. Just wait for it. I have a great idea.
Sammy, where'd you go?
Bring it in. Bring it in, guys. Don't break it.
Ouch! My back!
Alrighty. Some back later. I'll give you a makeover, too. Okay, now let's do the floor.
Oh, that looks great. Nice idea. And you already made the texture? Wow, thanks. Now it's my cue. We need to color everything. I think we could use some black too. It'll add a little more volume. See?
Sue, what have you done? It all looks dusty and old now.
Relax, Sammy. That's precisely what we're trying to do, okay?
Fine. Keep going then.
Now, to the walls. I think this brown wood is the perfect classic.
Sue, I brought decorations for the witch's office. Here, there's a whole bunch of them. Have a look.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff. I can't wait to put everything in place. It's such a nice shelf.
I can't wait. Hurry up, Sue. Speed things up.
There. Now let's deal with the rest. What do you say, Sammy?
It is really magical. I love it so much. How do you like it, Elphaba?
I think it's just perfect, but I want to have a closer look. Unbelievable! Thanks so much, Sue and Sam, for your creative work. Wow!
Friends, it's time to check out our newest masterpiece one more time. Yay! You look great, fellow Wicked Witch.
Thank you, bestie. Thank you for this awesome makeover, and I'm off. Whee! Bye-bye, everyone. Maybe we'll see each other again one day. Woohoo!
Friends, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe.
Hey!
Huh? What?
Hey, Sammy, we're here for that free makeover you promised. Right, guys?
Yes, we all want to be Elphaba.
Well, it looks like we're gonna have a whole town full of Wicked Witches. Oh well. Bye-bye, everyone.